If someone dies without an estate plan in the state of Wisconsin, it really gets kind of thrown up in the wind and scattered in a way that you might not want. You really become subject to what we call the rules of intestacy, or it means you died intestate, without a will or without a trust or without any document that kind of covers everything. And there might be numerous different ways that things get distributed, depending on what the beneficiaries were in one place, or the payable on death designation in another, or something where you didn't have any language on it at all. Sometimes assets will take much longer to be distributed because the rules of intestacy have to be determined before we get into the beginning of a probate, and then we go through the entire probate process. And you know, the difficulties that come out of that are if the people you're giving it to are not still married, or they're not, one might not be living, you know, someone passed away before you, or they're too young to handle it. There's just almost an endless list of problems that can arise. And sometimes people don't care. It seems like, say, what do I care? I'm gone. It's not going to affect me anymore, which is true. But presumably, we're giving things to people we care about. And if that's the case, then let's think about what a better way for them to receive it might be, and just make sure that gets accomplished ahead of time. Just being in a law firm that deals with estate planning and elder law and asset protection, we sometimes encounter families in very difficult situations. I think one of the assets that we have, or one of the benefits of having such a skilled group of professionals here, is that we have people who have seen it all or done it all, or they have experience, and I think we just have people who express empathy, you know, that you really can relate to situations if you've been through them before. And we have some people here who are exceptionally skilled at kind of getting to the root cause of a problem and just being able to relate to people, because there are times when it's difficult and you need someone who can walk with you through that and really see it through. This is not a short-term fix, and we never want to see that situation again. We say no, we want to make sure that we can figure out what it is, diagnose it, and really take someone through the entire process so they never feel alone.